If you're thinking about selling your house, there are a few things you might want to consider before you call us to list it, and that is to get a home inspection. Why? Well, because most buyers, when they go under contract to purchase a home, their realtor, if they're a good one, is going to recommend that they get a home inspection. In that home inspection, that inspector is going to look for signs of things like foundation movement.
And if you're a buyer and you go under contract, you definitely want to get that home inspection done. And your agent, if you don't know one already, can refer you to a good inspector who they've worked with, they know, like, and trust. And you're going to get that inspection report back. It could be up to 65 pages long with a bunch of cosmetic issues that we don't really want to worry about. We're going to worry about the important things like safety type issues. And one of those things is if they noticed any cracks in certain places or sloping of a floor somewhere, that could be a foundation issue.
So as I mentioned, it's really important that you consider getting this inspection done before you list the house. And I'm going to tell you why with a personal story. So Melissa and I worked the deal together. I was representing the buyer.
And I had the seller.
And so we had, of course, a home inspection done, and the inspector noted some evidence of possible foundation issues.
In Houston, that's usually going to come up.
Yeah. So my buyer reached out to a foundation company to have it inspected by a professional foundation inspector.
Yes, she did. Not only did she do it once, but she did it 4 different times.
She did 4, literally.
It's like an electric car.
So the problem with this is that when you get 4 different companies to come out and look at the same issue, you're going to get 4 different recommendations. We had bids anywhere from $8,000 all the way up to like $40,000 on the same house.
This is just crazy.
It was crazy. So the reason, because of this experience, I recommend to my sellers to get that inspection done before they list the home. That way, if there are issues that are brought to their attention, they can choose the company they want to choose to come out and do the foundation inspection. For example, I'm standing in front of Houston Foundation Repair Company. So this company I've worked with for several years, and Charlie, he's even on he's on that picture there. He is, I trust him. They're reputable. They are affordable. And so right now, in fact, we're in front of this truck because they're at my house, because I'm thinking of selling my house. So I had them come look at my house, and sure enough, I had foundation issues because we're in Houston, and right. I mean, you know, in Houston we have clay, right? And when it's really, really hot, clay shrinks, and
when it's really, really cold, it expands.
Or it rains.
And we get a lot of rain.
A lot of rain, yeah. So it expands. So shrink, expand, movement. That's what happens. So just accept it. So anyway, so they're doing my foundation. Well, I have to have 9 piers put in the corner of my house, and it's less than $5,000. Now that's affordable.
That's a good price.
Yeah.
I'll make that deal. How about you, you bitch? You make that deal?
I'd make that deal.
I don't blame you. Damn good deal.
But I guarantee you, if I'd called somebody else, I might have got a different price.
Right. And you don't know how their work is. You know them.
Absolutely.
And us as realtors, we have a list of vendors that we have used in the past, or our clients have, that we trust, so we can pass those on to them.
Exactly. So it's really important. So it's, you know, get that inspection done before you list the house. And if you're a buyer,
always, you're going to need that inspection. Your agent, again, should be able to refer you to a good inspector and see what all you might want to ask the sellers to repair if they haven't done it already.
Right.
Before we close on the house.
But let's go see what it looks like when they fix my foundation.
Yeah.
As we walk around the house, I'm obviously looking for cracks in the brick and mortar, but more important, when I start to see window or door frames separating from the brick veneer, fascia or freeze board in the corner being pushed out, expansion joints opening up, that's kind of when I go, we got something going on here. Then on the inside of the house, I'll use this as an example. Usually above doors or windows, you see those sheetrock cracks that kind of come up at an angle.
Yes.
Always remember, low point to the high point of a crack tells you which way the house is moving.
Oh,
So, diagonal, low point to the high point tells you which way the house is moving. Now, I tell you all that to tell you this. I've got all the fancy computer levels in my truck. It's a machine that shoots the elevations plus or minus on the floor. The only thing that machine doesn't tell you or me is how the house was built when it was brand new and or remodeled. There's no such thing as a house brand new that's perfectly level. They do not exist. I tell you that to tell you this. Generally, there are 3 things that are trimmed out to level when a house is built. Those would be door headers, windowsills, countertops. That's where my eyes go. So the object's not to make your house level. It's to get it back to its original position. Does that make sense?
yes.
We're done.
So we're standing here with Lewis today. He is the founder and owner of Houston's Foundation Repair Company. And we thought we'd ask him a few questions since he stopped by to check the work that was being done to our house. So hi, Lewis.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
all
So
right.
how long have you been in business here in Houston?
We're doing business for 25 years already.
Wow.
Yeah, it's for a long
25
time.
years, that's a
Yes.
long time. So
Yes,
you've
for
probably
long
fixed a
time.
lot of houses, huh?
Yes,
So tell me-
thousands.
Thousands. I bet. Well, I'm kind of impressed that you are the owner and came by to check my house today. That was a surprise. That's
Yeah.
impressive. That's impressive. So
Yeah.
tell us a little bit, what are these things in the back of the truck here?
Okay, this is a cylinders. This is like concrete cylinders. This is 6x12.
Okay.
Okay, we use a press piling, right? We need to these piers we put below to the slab. Okay, we use it like a machine because this one we use it to pressure.
Okay.
Depend the area. Sometimes we go in 10 to 30 feet deep.
Oh, wow.
Every hole. Okay, but I don't know. So you see the machine outside. We put pressure like between 9,000 10,000 pounds pressure every piers.
Okay.
Good pressure. And this one is the one he support your house.
Okay.
Okay, like I'll show you the complete pier later on
Yeah.
today. Okay.
Is there like an average of what, like when you go out to a house in Houston, is there an average what most like what would be considered a really severe problem? How many piers would you have, or like a minor problem?
Well, sometimes it depends how much the house sinking, right?
Okay.
Sometimes we put 10, sometimes 20, sometimes 40, because like this depends how much the house sinks.
So my house is getting, I think, 8 or 9. So
You're doing in good time.
okay.
A lot of people's wait too long, wait to the house sinking and sinking. He don't put attention, okay? But in Houston, the soil is a gumbo soil, okay? Soon you start and see hairline crack in the walls, door frame, the doors sticking, like crack in the walls. You need to call like
Foundation company. Yeah, call you.
Yeah. Call me. Yes.
Call
Yes.
you, exactly.
Yes.
Well, I know that every house that I've called you guys out to, that Charlie has come to, y'all have actually done some work for our clients, and they've been very pleased. So we really do appreciate the work that you do on lifting up our houses.
Thank you so much. We work in whole Houston, okay? Dallas, San Antonio, like whole Texas.
Oh.
Okay.
All right, that's good to know. Well, I have family
also-
back. We both have family in Dallas, so if any of our family needs
Yeah,
repair-
and plus with the Better Business Bureau for 19 years.
Okay.
We have insurance for like $2 million.
Okay.
In case we break your windows, the brick wall follow down.
Okay.
We cut your gas line, your electrical line, your sprinkler
cover that?
system. We cover that.
Oh,
Okay.
that's good to know.
And my warranty is a lifetime warranty, term favorable warranty in case you sell the house.
That's right. That's what we've
Okay.
been talking about, those warranties. Well,
Okay.
thank you so much.
You're
we really
welcome.
appreciate you appearing on our show today.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Remember, if you're thinking about selling your house, you want to consider having that home inspection done before you list the house.
That's right. And if you're a buyer buying a house, make sure you get with your agent to get a referral for a good home inspector that they know, like, and trust, and get the inspection done.
Absolutely. I'm Mundy,
I'm Melissa.
signing off. Wait, we're going the wrong way. We're going the wrong way. Is it going the right way? You gotta go
lean.
quicker.
You gotta lean. I lost my shoe.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, you have to look up, Melissa. You have to look up, Melissa. You have to look up. We are going so slow.
Hey.
Hang on.
Oh, stop.
No, I'm going to twist
make me
it.
sick.
No, you're not. Just don't look up. You're not going to get sick.
shoe.
Just don't look up. Where's your shoe? He's going to have to give us a little tug. Don't fall off, Melissa.
I thought I was getting my shoe.
Okay, hang on. He's going to have to give us a push and then video. So we have to rewind it all the way down. Oh my God, I'm getting so dizzy. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh, I'm starting to get sick.
Well, quit looking up.
Okay, all right. Push this off. Oh my God.
She's so wheezy.
I'm so wheezy. All right, you gotta push this. Gotta give us a twist.
Okay, which way are we going?
We're going
To
that way.
untwist?
So you gotta turn us this way real fast. Yeah.
Oh, right
Lift
now?
your feet. Yeah. Lift your feet and he'll record it. Okay, there we go. Whoa. Oh my God. Woo. Gosh, you need to look up, Melissa.
Call us.
Oh, I can't look up anymore.
Call us.
Oh my God. I'm gonna be sick. Oh my God, I'm gonna be sick. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel.
We're fun.
Oh, we're done. Oh my God.
This video was produced by Visionary Masterminds.